Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming in this video. Okay, in this video I will show you about the Kalman filter for noise reducer on sensor reading. Actually, here I implement the Kalman filter to the accelerometer sensor. Okay. We know that the data from the sensor have the noise. Here you can see in the figure 1 the data sensor from the accelerometer. So this is just one coordinate. This is the data from the accelerometer sensor. In this figure you can see there are a lot of noise and also it is sensitive sensor. Because of that, we need the Kalman filter to reduce the value, to make the value more smooth. And then we can cancel the disturbance and also the noise here. Because the many color, many sensor characteristic is have a high sensitivity and then it is have more noise and also the disturbance. If we use this data from the sensor without the filter, the for example, the robot will give the sensitive movement, so it is not good for the robot and also the other system. Okay, the Kalman filter is different with the LPF and then the XPF, the low pass filter or the high pass filter, because Kalman filter is filtered all of the data sensor, not only the low frequency or the high frequency. It is very simple and also doesn't have a high computing. Okay, this is two part of the Kalman filter equation. The first equation is the predict. The first part is predict, and the second part is the update equation. Okay, from this equation, we are not use all of the equation. We will make the equation more simple because we does not use all of the Kalman filter equation. So this is the process to get the short equation here. This is the short equation for the Kalman filter to reduce the noise and also the disturbance from the sensor. Okay, this is the flow chart. You can see. I will put the URL this article in the description so you can open the document, the article or the paper in this journal. First, it is the implementation. First we make the simulation in the MATLAB. There are two main parameters in the Kalman filter. The first is the R, and the second is the key. You can see this is the first parameter, the key, and the second is the R here. And then you can see from the first result, the Kalman filter does not make the signal is smooth. So we need to uh, change the value, the R and the key. The first is R is 1 and the key is 10. And then we change the R to be 1 and key to be 1. The signal more smooth than before. You can see, you can compare the signal. And then we change the value, the R and the key. The R is 1 and the key is 0 0.1 here. It is more smooth again, the signal. And then we change the value. Here you can see here in the figure 7, the R is 10 and then the Q is 0.1 here. If you give the parameter with the weight value, it will give more smooth and more reducing the noise and also the disturbance. But if you make the parameter have a big value, perhaps you will lose the data here. You can see the red color is the Kalman filter signal and the green value is the sensor data. The data is lost, the sensor data is lost, so the parameter is too big. Okay, this is the good parameter for the R and the key. The R is 10 and the key is 0.1 here. It is the best parameter in the simulation. So this is resolved from the simulation using the MATLAB. And then we make the implementation in the Arduino. This is the first implementation and the second, and also just to result from the Arduino implementation. You can see this is the best parameter for the Kalman filter because the data is not lost. Okay, from this article you can get the code from for MATLAB, and then this is the code for the Arduino. Okay, I think enough for the video. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. And also this article the URL of this article will put in the description. So you can open this article. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry if I have a mistake in this video. I hope it can help you. Thank you. Bye bye. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.